こんにちは、ライフゴーゾーンです。いつもご視聴ありがとうございます。2021年はジムニー・シェーラと何より皆様の支えがあって過ごせた1年でした。2022年もさらに濃い年にしていきたいと思いますので、引き続きよろしくお願いいたします。では撮影に行ってきます。
Used to think the world of you, but somewhere down the line we changed and we grew and we fell out of touch as time goes by. Still I'm holding on to you. I know that it's time for me to let you go. I know that it's time for us to part, though it breaks my heart. Baby, it's time for me to face the truth and say it out loud. I don't know you anymore. I don't know you anymore, like I used to do before. Used to be inseparable. I used to stand by you. Now I'm only holding on to a bittersweet memory of you. Oh, I wish it wasn't true. I know that it's time for me to let you go. I know that it's time for us to part, though it breaks my heart. It's time for me to face the truth and say it used to think the world of